Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of my Pocket Page Advent Calendar swap. So this is a yearly swap run by Michelle from the Stamp Spot. She organises a bunch of people to make Pocket Page Advent calendars for each other, and then we ship them off and swap them, and it's a really fun crafty little activity to do around Christmas time, and then you know you have your advent calendar to open. So it's really lovely, and it's nice to see what everyone makes. So I've already shipped mine off. My recipient has made an unboxing video as well, so if you want to go see the one I made, check the description box. I'll leave the link below. This is the one I received, so I'm going to show you the calendar. I'm not going to open all the pockets obviously, but I'm going to show you how it's decorated, and yeah, pretty exciting. So the person that I sent mine to was not the person who sent me one. It kind of goes around in a circle, so you're not sending to the person you're receiving from, if that makes sense. So mine, I just sent mine in a pizza box, but this is a big box. I mean, this is a big thick box, really quite heavy. So I'm going to open it up. I have had a look myself already, just a spoiler, but I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so this is my box, and I have a lot of these wrapped gifts, which clearly she couldn't fit in the pockets, so she's just wrapped me a bunch of gifts, which is really sweet. So I do have, I think, 2 pockets in here, and the rest appear to be wrapped gifts. And it smells amazing, so there's definitely something scented in there. Let me just move that box out of the way for now. Hold on. Just put it on my chair. Okay, so these are the pockets. Okay, so these are double-sided, which I didn't do mine double-sided. I just did 4 pages, which is fine. So we've used pocket pages, as you can see. We could use any brand, any kind of configuration, any size, as long as there were 25 pockets, and you just include what you know, a little gift for each day. And the premise was not to spend too much money. So we're not all going out and spending hundreds of dollars on craft supplies. So it's all small things. We've tried to use out of our stash where we could, or things like we had extras of, etc, etc. Right, I'm getting a bit of glare off those pockets. I've tried to move my camera, so hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, so she has gone in order by the looks of things. I like to shuffle mine up, so I do them all randomly. So she's used some fun little animal cards here, which is really funny. Some really cute little pattern papers here. Some homemade embellishments, which is really sweet. So we've got a pinwheel down here. We've got a little angel. Some little, that looks like almost foam embellishments. I don't know whether homemade numbers or just little stickers. She's used some little staples to attach those. Really lovely decoration. And then over the back side we have some more decorated pieces, so some more of those cute little animals, so really cute little envelope, little Santas, and some of these gifts I can see is these little post-it notes I can see, which is fine. And then what else have we got here? So I'm gonna guess on the days where there's nothing inside, so that's day 9, there's going to be a wrapped gift, which is crazy. Like, you did not have to go this hard, but I definitely appreciate it. Okay, so flip this over. So 16, 17, oh, this goes this way? This way, okay. Just trying to get myself oriented. So again, really beautifully decorated. I love these. Oh, that's a little postcard by the looks of things. Oh, cool. I like things like that. You can see some little homemade embellishments hiding away inside. Oh, that's really cute, little 3D Santa gifts down, and then over the back. Oh, some wood veneer. That's exciting. This is cute. Little champagne bottle. Oh, little. So I can see some of the gifts already, so I'm getting a sneaky peek, and that's fine. Love these little native animals. They actually look like Christmas cards, so that's a good idea actually. I'll try and remember that for next year, cutting down the Christmas cards to use as decorations in my Pocket Page swap. That's another way to keep costs down and not create a lot of rubbish. And then I have my big box of gifts, so I'm not sure where I'm going to put these. I'd like to put them under the tree, but I don't trust my children not to steal them all from me. So each of these has a cute little, this cute little decorative tape, and then some of them have these cute little stickers on. I don't know whether those are printed or stamped or what. They look printed. Oh, that's funny. I love that. Oh, very cute. Super cute. So there's heaps in here, and I did notice that on, she's got a day 25 and there's a little Christmas card included in there. So how sweet is that? I've been super spoiled. Look, all these presents. I'm going to have more presents to open than my children. So I might just fold this closed and pop it under my desk for the minute, and then have a cute little present to open every day leading up to Christmas. So that is my advent calendar. Thank you so much, Lisa, if you're watching, for sending this to me. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to open all my goodies. And thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.